Hi everybody. Today we're going to learn how to use Gradebook to input grades and also load grades in from Inquisit. So here's how you get there. bsu.edu/gradebook. And as with everything else, I would recommend bookmarking this. And also, as with everything else, I would recommend using Firefox, not Safari, and I don't know about Chrome, but also not Internet Explorer. So go to bsu.edu/gradebook, and you'll get a drop down asking for your password. Click OK. And here you will see a list of the courses that you have been enabled to actually grade. The ones that you've been enabled will have course editing on here. And so let's pretend that you're working on 317 in the spring of 2011. Click on Course Editing. So the way you input grades manually, up here in the corner, all of the assignments have been categorized: bonus, exams, group projects, participation, quizzes, and the research summary. There has to be a big category, and then there can be smaller subcategories. As you can see with research summary, there's only one subcategory, but nonetheless, that's how it works. So say you've got a big handful of research summaries, the grades need to be entered. This is really simple. Select it from the drop-down menu. Research summary, click edit, and you will get a list of students. Here are the names, and these input areas right here will be blank. You go through and put them in, put them in, put them in, all the way down. Make sure you click update all, and they'll be updated. Very, very simple. And then you can go through and do anything else. Occasionally, you'll get an email from me that says, hey, this person gets bonus points, and so that'll be under the editor or Stump Dr. Smith bonus. Edit. So you select it from the drop-down, click edit, and then we look here, and let's just pretend that Carrie Patterson pointed out a typo. We'll give her 1 point, come down to the bottom, click update all, wait till it reloads. You can take a look if you want to confirm. Carrie Patterson now has 1. Great. So I will go ahead and delete that and click update all. And that's how it works. Now, you'll also need occasionally I will ask some of you to load grades in from Inquisit. So under course editing, hey, there's a good link, load grades from Inquisit. Click on that. First thing you need is the Inquisit account name, which is Smith15, and then the Inquisit password, which I will have given you. And put those two in, hit continue. And the first thing you need to do is select the quiz in Inquisit that you are going to move over to Gradebook. So select, we'll just pretend that we're going to do the last quiz for 317. Make sure you get the section right. 317, Spring 11, Quiz 22, She Stoops to Conquer. Click it. Continue. It will, the first time only, ask for your Gradebook login again. I'm not sure why, it just will. Now, this is the important part. You've got to make sure that you remember which assignment we selected, She Stoops to Conquer, and you have to select that same assignment here, She Stoops. Click there, and click Finish. And then it will take you to the She Stoops to Conquer quiz. All the grades will have been inputted here. There will be blanks for people who didn't take them. In this case, there are zeros because I've already done this, but you need to do this. After you load the grades in, check, set blank scores to 0, and update all. That way, everyone who hasn't taken these quizzes will get a 0 on them, as opposed to have the quiz not be included at all in their semester grade. And that's how you load. So make sure before you load grades in from Inquisit, make sure that you have gone through the Inquisit video and deleted all but the best scores for every quiz. Because if you don't do that, this will load in the wrong grades, and then that will be a problem. One other thing I will ask you to do occasionally is to email the class. That's very easy. Go to the student list link right here. Go to the bottom. Email all 29 active students. Click. You may change the subject here. You may put the message in there and click send. And I will also get a copy of that message when it is sent, as will you. Or I should get a copy. I know that you will. So that's how to handle that.